What's up, guys? If you're looking behind me, you are knowing that we are on our way back to Los Angeles right now, guys, and we are trying to race to beat the sun pretty much. But if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're definitely about to go pick up the other bike. My buddy, I told you guys in the previous couple videos, me and my buddy got another Harley. So I got one, you guys seen mine the other day, so we're gonna go check that out. And then my buddy got another Harley. So his is gonna be more of a project, which will be more fun for you guys. So I hope you guys can't wait as much as I can. We'll be to LA in a hot sec, and then we'll get right to it, man. What's up, guys? We just pulled back up on the famous block, man. We are in LA. The bike about to be here in a minute, and I'm about to show y'all my bike, show you the damage on mine as well, and then get a glimpse at his bike. So if y'all want to see what's up with his bike, be sure to tune into the YouTube below, and we'll get right into it. But the bike should be here in about an hour, so let's get everything moved out and get everything ready to go. So he just pulled up on the homie. Man, y'all remember this bike? This definitely was the black and yellow bike, man. This looks totally different now. He switched the whole thing up. Some diamond cut on that joint. You see the sparkles on that. PM everything. I'm digging this one. Oh, and you got the Screaming Eagle tour pack or whatever it's called, I forget. Got the grips on this joint. That's A1. Got the fresh rotors on that bad boy. Ooh wait, I can dig that. It's hard. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Y'all just see all the details in bro bike. He got the diamond cut. He got the head, took the heads off, got it powder coated first, then got it diamond cut. Man, this thing looks so A1. Got all the parts and everything right here, PM. You feel me? Fresh parts. We got extra parts right here for the new bike that's coming today. Y'all get a glimpse of that in a second. But y'all see, this what this orange and blue bike used to look like. Y'all probably remember it now, but it definitely looked totally different. Just look at all the details on it. You got the orange washers. Everything should be put together within I guess the next couple of days. We're literally just waiting on parts, but got the bars on this joint and everything. Fresh tires, fresh 23s up front, 23-inch with a nice rotor PM forks. You feel me? Got the seat, everything. But y'all see it's getting put together, man, real quick. We got some sand pads and stuff. About to bust down that body over there for this joint, but it is what it is. So we got the bike pulled out, man, and I know a bunch of you guys were asking what's the damage on it. So here is the damage. The outer fairing is broken. It's like this is exactly where they fail, of course, but it's cracked right here up top. Not that big of a deal. You need an inner fairing right there, and then a mirror, fairing, and that's pretty much about it. They fell on this side, but this bag doesn't look that bad at all. We can probably either get this bar powder coated, or, you know, what's up, Ace? Try to find a new one or something. But honestly, doesn't look that bad. We're gonna have to get a new crash bar, which shouldn't be that much either. So pretty cheap in repairs, to be honest with you. But I do want to get some wheels on it, and then I want some new bars. So I'm thinking about some 21s with some nice bars on it. Some nice black bars. I was gonna do the blackout kit on it, like black out all the chrome pieces, but I think I want to just keep it simple and just you know, go keep with the chrome. But yeah, man, it's really not that bad. The other bike should be here pretty soon. They said they're about 30 minutes out, so we'll just get this one while we can. But yeah, it's really no damage. Shifts through all the gears, runs really nice. Nothing really out of the ordinary, honestly. The bars do seem kind of like need new bushings for sure, but I'm gonna change that anyway when I get the bars, so it's not a big deal. Other than that, really cool looking bike and really good running bike, so that's a plus, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. All the these little interfering parts is like worn out, need some fresh new ones. And then we'll probably get the new one like a gloss black or something like that, because we're gonna have to repaint the fairing that we get anyway, and the front fender to match the 21 wraparound style that we had on our last bike. So you guys already know how we gonna do it. Alrighty guys, we just heard something on the block. I'm gonna get his reaction while he get your reaction. It's coming down this joint. It's time. Ooh. Alrighty, you see how we pulled up on our block? Got the Harley right there. And that's it. It don't even look bad. It don't even look bad, bro.
Damn, look at this mini car.
That's a mini Cooper. That's crazy. This shit, it really don't look bad at all.
It for sure smashed the computer off. Unless it fell off with the bike.
Long drive or what?
Yeah, very long.
Oh,
Long drive.
oh, you didn't drive?
Yeah, I'm driving all the law.
Bad weather?
Yeah,
Bad
very
weather?
bad. Florida.
Yeah.
Hurricane.
Oh, wow.
Tornado.
Yeah, tornado.
Wow. Where's the rest of the
My clothes, this car.
Oh, okay, cool. Everywhere here.
Yeah, everywhere.
All right, bet. Whatever you need help with, just let us know.
It's too heavy.
It's too heavy. Yeah. Shit, well, let's get it. We gonna unload this thing and get back to y'all in a sec, man. Our first task at hand, really trying to get this fender loose so we can possibly get it to roll. Look like we almost got it though. Look like it might roll.
Fucking buzz my car the whole time.
Shit, I already got bars and everything.
I think a little bit of pressure.
Really not that bad. All right, so we're trying to get this thing off, but of course we got front end damage, so we're gonna try to swing it from the top and get it over here. Not really swing it, but like, you know, get it to come over here and just drop it down right here. So we'll try to figure it out, but it's not budging at all. But it came to the right place. This literally can be swapped out in a day. That's nothing. We got the whole front end already. Alrighty guys, we got the bike off the trailer, and I know this thing looks bad, but man, let me tell you, the way my boy did his other bike in the back, he was gonna bust this thing down anyway, so it's only a matter of time. But you know, it is a project, but it'll be something nice to tune into. Gotta tighten up the bars. It's not really all you need is like a new front end, new forks. Really is really not that bad. Then the frame, you can take that to the frame doctor, get it all going. It's a 6-speed trans. It's ready to go. It already got the back, the nice like lights on the back right here, so that's a plus. But man, he said it was a bunch of like bad weather and stuff. But this is a task getting it rolling and out the way and stuff. But it does look good now that we got it off the trailer. Got all the, like most of the parts, most of the front end. We just need the forks, which is not hard to find either. So we got a few extra parts, that's for sure. So you know, we can easily make some money back off of these. Then if all else fails, which it won't, you know, the motor and trans looks really good. We just checked the oil and the oil looks flawless. So I'm pretty sure whoever had the bike, they just wanted to get out of it like intentionally. Because they took like, what they take on this, bro?
Battery and the computer.
Yeah, they took the battery and the computer out, and then, I believe they had some other type of bags on here, and they just switched everything out. They might have even had music and stuff on this, who knows? But it's definitely gonna be a fun one, that's for sure. And these bars are already pretty decent. I'm trying to figure out how to get this freaking front wheel, the bolts. These things are like, I don't know. Alrighty guys, so we can't seem to get this bolt off.
Cut this bitch.
So we about to cut this joint, man. Alrighty guys, we got this thing back here, man. You guys don't even know how hard it was getting this thing in the back. But now that we got it back here, we can probably pop this wheel off and switch it with that one so we can sit that bike on the ground and then get this one up on the jack. So we can possibly get this thing started like bust down, but we might even give it a quick wash before we get into it. But we do, like I said, we do have some extra parts here. It looks like they was just at the auction grabbing whatever, because this is actually like an Indian fender. You guys see the head on there. This definitely doesn't go to a Harley, but you know, it is what it is. We'll get this thing cleaned up and I'm sure it'll look that much better. Alrighty, so we got the bike pulled in the back. We are about to get this thing pressure washed down because, man, the dust is just packed on there. This thing did come from Florida, and literally the bottom of Florida. So you guys know it's like super dusty and like it's been rained on several times and all that. So yeah, we'll get this thing all cleaned up and stuff, but it really should be a simple swap. We'll just get a frame for this thing, which is like $300 for a brand new frame. And then you literally just transfer all like the motor, trans, and all that stuff over there. Of course, you got to get the forks. Those aren't like that much at all. You can get some stock ones for really cheap. But let's get this thing washed up and see if we can get it looking that much cleaner, man. This is definitely going to look like something, because look at this one. He busts this one all the way down to the frame, and this thing is just looking amazing. We're literally only waiting for a tire for that one, some bolts, and then a gasket, and we can literally get this thing back on the road and running. But this one we actually might do the same thing too, man, because we got to get a new frame, so it makes sense to just powder coat the frame. So I don't know what color he's thinking, but this one should be a really nice bike when it's all said and done. Should be something simple to deal with. But yeah, let's get this thing all cleaned up now, shall we? Got this thing soaked down. This thing's looking cleaner already, dog. Let's get this rinse. Let's see how good it looks. Let's see. This thing is already clean. Wow. Let's see that exhaust. Let's see it. Yes, sir. We got some shine on it. It's looking better already, dog. Already is looking better. Alrighty, guys, man, this was a task at hand. If you guys if I would have had like it set up, y'all would have really enjoyed that. But that was a task. We got this thing on the jack, lifted up, ready to get buzzed down, man. We're gonna take off the forks and everything up here shortly. If you guys want to tune into that video, make sure you tune into my boy's page. This is my buddy's bike, so he will have the update on his YouTube, which is going to be in the link below. So make sure you look at that video. And then as well, he's got his other bike, the blue and orange machine right here with the detailed effect on it. Should be done this week. Literally just waiting on parts, man. This thing is freaking a beast all the little accessories and gadgets. Got to do some little stuff he want to do to it, some special effects. But yeah, all the parts are here, and we'll be getting this one broken down soon, man. So this should be an easy swap. It's really not that bad. The frame on it, of course the frame is like, you know, kind of dented in because look at the crash. They went like head on with like, I guess like a bulldozer or something like that, something crazy. But if you guys just take a quick peek under here, it is kind of bent in, which is literally an easy swap. And then up here it looks like it just literally just popped off. But like I said, these frames are pretty cheap, and you can pretty much get them for like really easily. Swap everything on here that's on here onto the new frame, and then the bike is completely done. The forks should be like what, $100, $150 for some forks. Yeah, about that for some new forks. Then you'll have the whole front end, and your bike is pretty much complete. And he already has the bags and everything for it, so this should be a pretty nice bike when you're done, man. I can't wait to see it. Cannot wait to see it, dog. And so we seen the damage on my Harley. We seen the damage on my buddy's Harley. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're curious to see how his bike is gonna turn out, be sure to follow him on his channel in the link below. I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. I definitely got to get some bars for mine, and possibly some wheels if we can't bring mine back to life. I haven't tried the steel wool yet, but I'll try that probably the next time I come back down. So in the meantime, it's just going to be sitting out until I can get the rest of the parts I want to get. But yeah, that's going to be a wrap. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.